Hi, today I am cooking the beetroot hummus from the Meals for Immunity recipe book. You'll find this recipe on page 15. First, I've just drained and rinsed no added salt chickpeas. They go straight into the food processor. And I also have tinned beetroot. Now this is the hero ingredient, and that's because this deep purple color of the beetroot is the antioxidant betacyanin, which is great for our heart health. That just goes straight in. And I have also sliced the beetroot in half as well. Going to add in a teaspoon of cumin for flavor. And a tablespoon of tahini. In like so. A nice squeeze of lemon juice. And crush some garlic, and that just goes straight in. Go in like that. And some black pepper to taste. Now all that's left to do is turn on the food processor onto high. Now, as the food processor is running, I'm gonna be drizzling in some olive oil. It's up to you what consistency you like your dip to be. I like to be quite chunky, so I'm not going to drizzle too much olive oil, but if you prefer a smoother consistency, just let it run and drizzle in the oil until you have what you like. So I'll switch it on. Yum. And that is it. So this is so easy, so nutritious, so tasty. I promise you are never going to buy beetroot from the supermarket again. I'm just serving these with some whole grain crackers for the added fiber, which is great for our gut health. And that's it. Enjoy.